Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day Mystery Box. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, how is everyone today? I am so tired, oh my goodness. But it is the perfect day to stay in and film. It is flurrying outside. It's so pretty to look at. So I'm excited to maybe sit with some cocoa later, maybe pop on a movie and look outside. Literally, that is what my life has come to. That is entertainment. I really need to get out more. But I hope wherever you're at in the world, you are having a fantastic day. Other than being extremely exhausted, I'm also very excited to unbox this. I've not seen a single spoiler, which for me is hard because this queen is always looking at thirst traps on Instagram. And in between all the shirtless men pictures, I see a lot of makeup stuff, and I have seen a few things for this, but fortunately what I saw was for the smaller box. So I think we're good. This one is, I think, the medium one. This was $100, and it's a good size. Honestly, it feels a little bit lighter, though, than the last box that we got. At least I think it does. I guess I don't really remember, but when I picked it up, she seemed light. She's been on a diet. And I went to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, and because everything is sold out, they don't really tell you what is in each box, so I don't really know what to expect. Let's go ahead and open this beast up, shall we? Come on, let's not slice any body parts off. Oh, and how appropriate. There's actually a little bit of Mary Jane stuck on this knife from when Beauty Boomer and I were doing a live and we had to cut something that I'm not allowed to say. But while I'm opening this baby up, I do want to give a huge shout out and a giant thank you to everyone who's supporting my Patreon. If you've seen my videos before, you know that YouTube is giving me all sorts of hell over monetization. Nobody seems to really know why. I did a whole bathtub vlog about it. Please feel free to check it out. But after lots of encouragement from you and some very close friends, I did finally make a Patreon. It's just patreon.com/poplux. You'll get content that's not on YouTube and you'll get videos a day early. And so I try to make it worth it for you. And I do kind of want to start doing giveaways on there. This baby I'm actually going to be giving away. Or at least I'm giving most of this away, but that'll be on my YouTube. But I have so many makeup items that I just don't use anymore that are still really fucking nice. And so I think within the Patreon, every now and again, I'm gonna do giveaways. And so because there's fewer members over there, people have a better chance of winning. So if you want to join, that is another perk. But I actually ordered 2 of these sexy little wenches by mistake. I had the Jeffree Star page open on my computer and on my phone, and I had them both in checkout just in case one went first. Well, they both went, and I've been waiting and waiting for the other box, and I just looked on my emails and I had that sent to my old apartment. Which, if you could see the fuck outside right now, you would know that I am not hauling my ass all the way across town just to get this box. So hopefully there's a lot of the same items because I do want to give a lot of this away, and then I'm also going to list things on Poshmark. So yeah, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow the Rafflecopter link down below. Really, the only things that you need to be are subscribed to my channel. There are other little perks that you can do, but you don't have to do, but the more that you do, the more entries you have. This is, of course, a worldwide giveaway. Good luck to everyone. Just make sure you're at least 18 or have your parents' consent, but other than that, you go, honey. I wish you all the best of luck. And now let's open her up. Ready? Ooh, oh my, oh. Okay, the spoiler that I saw was that somebody got a beanie, and I was so hoping for that beanie, and we got this. It's it's a baseball hat, but one of the flat-rimmed ones. I mean, it's definitely cute, but I mean, why would I hide these luscious locks? So this is definitely going to be in a giveaway. It looks like it's adjustable. It has a nice clasp on the back. It has the Jeffree Star logo there in red. This pink hat is perfect for Valentine's Day or Wednesdays because on Wednesdays we wear pink. So I'm just going to set that to the side. I'm not even going to take it out of the bag. And let's look at the next item. Oh, it's a shirt and it has those terrible candies that I always used to get as a kid at school. Oh God, I hated those, but I would eat the shit out of them too. Ew, there's white crusties on it. Do we see that? That's a little bit nasty, but I mean, things happen and, ooh, she's stinky, but, oh, it's cute. I'm really glad we opened it up because look what's on the back. It's all Jeffree's slogans. I'm gagging, can't relate. Jeffree Star approved, hi, how are ya? Iconic, and his logo. And then right on the front, right over the areola, we have a nice pink heart. Or I suppose maybe that's over the heart, not necessarily the nip. But yes, this too is also going in the giveaway. It's a medium. I wonder if my other box got a beanie. I really hope it did. It's probably the same as this with my luck, which is fine with me. I mean, this is a nice box so far. And next up we have, ooh, Ooh, maybe a palette? Is it a controversy palette? I actually have one. Oh no. I have so fucking many of these. Like, I cannot get rid of them. I've given so many of them away. I've sold some on Poshmark. I can see like 3 of them sitting up there. Either way, it is a really good palette. I actually like this one more than the big version of it. Like, I love this palette so much. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. It's got really pretty like pinks and purples in it. Yes. Oh, I love that. Oh, so pretty. So normally I would do a look, but we don't need to keep doing looks with the same palette. So that is going in the giveaway, and I'm sure I'll get another one in the other box. So make sure you check out my Poshmark because I do list on there frequently. And I think if you follow the link down below, you actually get like $10 off your first purchase, I think. And it's always a big help to save any money. So big thanks to anyone who follows me on there. Let's continue. I see some kind of gloss. Oh, is this one that's like just for this box? I actually do really like his glosses. I don't know that they're necessarily worth the price, but they do feel great on the lips. They're very kind of like moisturizing feeling, and they stay on the lips for a really long time. This is... Oh wait, I think I have this one. This is actually the one that I use all the time because it has a very faint color, but it does kind of make your lips look a little bit chalky and ashy. I mainly use it for like bedtime so that my lips are hydrated throughout the night. I am fucking warm. I have to turn on this fan. I know you can hear it. I'm so sorry, and it's annoying, but at least I'm not gonna have a heat stroke. At least not until I log back onto Instagram. Whew! And I have no fucking idea where my lip gloss went, but I can at least show you the color. It goes on very similar to what's in the tube. It just kind of is very clear, but with a very slight tint to it. I like it. And because I already have one of these, I don't really need another one, so I am definitely going to probably give this away, and then whatever other one I get, I'll probably list it on Poshmark. But yeah, for $100, I'm actually really happy so far. Next, let's dive in, and we have a lipstick maybe? Ooh, it's a mystery one. This says shake well before use. Let me shake it before we open it. And it doesn't have a name or anything. It just has a picture of a heart with a question mark in it. That's precious. And let's see, ooh. That's really pretty. Because I am going to be giving this away, I don't want to like put it on my lips, but I will put it on my wrist because I did get out of the shower and the bitch is clean. So it's definitely not the most pigmented thing in the world. You might need a couple layers, but it has beautiful shifts to it. Like it goes from orange to pink to red. It's a little bit splotchy on my wrist, but not terrible. I really want to know what it would look like on the lips, but I don't think I would ever use this again, so it doesn't really matter. And once again, there is no name on there. It's just the heart with the question mark, which it's not even gonna focus, so who the fuck cares? But yeah, that could be really pretty, even as an eyeshadow. And I will put that back in there for the giveaway. I'm so excited for the winner. Like, you're gonna get so much good shit. And moving on, we still actually have quite a few items in this box. And, oh my god, what is this? I really do like the wrapping on these. Like, that makes it feel a little bit more luxe and rich. That's cute. 24 karat. Oh, I actually don't think I own this. If I did review it, I probably sent it back because I don't have it in my collection. But let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, I love that. That's really pretty. I mean, this isn't new, is it? Oh no, this isn't new, but it retails for $40. And let's open it up. Very pretty. Hold on, let me take the plastic thing off so you can actually see. Very nice. I like it. I mean, I don't really know that I would ever use this because I am a highlighter hoe. I have so many of them, and if I'm not going to use it, we might as well give it away. So this is going to go in the giveaway, but it has a really nice shade range. Like, it's got some unique shades down here that could be used for eyeshadows, or if you're feeling yourself that day and you want a unique little splooge on the cheekbone, then you have your more nudish ones up there. I like this, but do I need it? No, I think it would have a much better home with one of you guys, so I'm going to wrap this back up and set it down with the other things. Moving on. What's this big-ass thing? Oh, we got a couple more things. Oh, a hand mirror. I've actually never owned one of Jeffree's hand mirror. Let me just pull out my knife. Even though I'm not a huge fan of, like, giant hand mirrors, this is very smart of him to do because, like, on the back, anytime you hold it up, you're gonna see his logo and it's like free promotion. And here we have that mirror. That's actually very pretty. I like that. Ooh, very nice crystal clear mirror. Oh, actually, I look a little bit odd in it, so it might be a tiny bit bent. Whoa, that is way too fucking clear for me. I need some kind of fucking help under my eyes and bitch, tweeze them brows. Goddamn. No, that's actually a really nice mirror, even though I do look weird in it from a little bit of a distance, but that's probably not even the mirror's fault. This is actually probably the one thing out of this box that I'm going to keep because you can never have too many mirrors. So there is that. Let's move on to probably the last item. What is it? Oh, it's straws. Okay, I take it back. I would actually use this too. I gave away his peppermint one, I think. No, I ended up getting 2 of them. And I gave 1 away and it looked like a candy cane and it's just whatever. But these are like green, so they aren't really like pertaining to a holiday. I don't like using holiday things like year round. That just bugs me. But these, I can fuck with these. It looks like we get 4 straws. Very nice. So I am gonna keep these, but everything else that we got in the box today, I am totally giving away. Like, I wish everyone so much luck. I wish I could give everybody something, but that is not how life works, honey. So here is what one lucky winner will be getting. They will be getting the mystery shade lipstick as well as the lip gloss. They'll be getting a pink hat, a t-shirt, what the fuck else is in here? Oh yes, the mini Jawbreaker palette, one of my favorites, and the 24 karat palette right here. Great for highlighter, perfect for eyeshadow, excellent for peony swatches. And if you've never wanted to stick your genitalia in a makeup item, then you have issues. That's me acting like I'm not the most fucked up one here. I actually think this was well worth the money. Like, we got a lot of shit for $100. Not necessarily things that I myself will use, but if I weren't like a professional reviewer, I would probably be really fucking excited because there's some good stuff here. If you're a makeup whore like I am and have mostly everything that he has, then you might not get as many kicks as a normal person, but still, I can't wait to see the next one. Like, I love the shit out of these mystery boxes, and I love being able to give this stuff away to you. And probably by the time you see this, I will have driven my ass out to my old apartment complex and gotten the box. So make sure you check my Poshmark. All the links for that are down below. But yeah, there we go. Short, simple, and sweet, like me. Once again, thank you all so much for being here. I love having you. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, all you have to do is search for Poplux. It's pretty inexpensive, but please do not feel obligated. I know exactly what it's like to not just have money lying around, so I totally get it, but if you want to support, it's there, and you will definitely be getting new content very soon. So there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplux.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady, and you can follow me online at thepoplux.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.